The Easy Portable Dishwasher Countertop, your ultimate solution for hassle-free dishwashing. With its innovative design and advanced features, there are many products available to choose. Bosch Dishwasher, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Bosch dishwasher from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Comfy Countertop Dishwasher. Introducing the Canon Megatank GX3020 All-in-One Dishwasher by Comfy, a powerhouse of convenience for your kitchen. With its compact countertop design, 19.7 dx 21.7 watts x 17.2 h, it's tailored for small spaces like dorms, RVs, and apartments, accommodating 6 place settings, and up to 70 tableware pieces, including plates up to 10 inches in diameter. Simple installation, allows for direct faucet connection, offering flexibility to place it on the table, or fit it into a cupboard. Choose from 8 washing cycles, including heavy for stubborn stains and speed for quick cleaning in just 45 minutes, ideal for last-minute gatherings. The heavy program features 12 washing nozzles and 360-degree spiral spray wash for thorough cleaning, while the speed program conserves water with Energy Star compliance, using as little as 2.77 gallons. With a noise level of 49 decibels, stainless steel and plastic construction, and included components like the power cord and drain hose, this dishwasher combines efficiency and convenience seamlessly. Number 2. Easy Portable Dishwasher Countertop. Introducing the Easy Portable Dishwasher Countertop, your ultimate solution for hassle-free dishwashing. With its innovative design and advanced features, this mini dishwasher is perfect for apartments, camping, RVs, and more. Featuring a built-in 5-liter water tank, you can wash dishes anywhere without the need for a hookup, or easily connect it to a faucet for continuous water supply. Customize your cleaning with 6 washing programs, including a heavy mode for tough stains or baby bottles. The extra drying function ensures your dishes are warm, dry, and residue-free for up to 72 hours, promoting hygiene and convenience. Measuring just 16.85 times 16.73 times 18.03 inches, it's compact yet spacious enough to accommodate various dish sizes. Operate effortlessly with a tilted electronic touch control panel, while transparent doors allow you to monitor the cleaning process. With rotating spray arms providing thorough coverage, achieving sparkling dishes has never been easier. Don't compromise on cleanliness and convenience. Choose the Easy Portable Dishwasher Countertop for your dishwashing needs. Number 3. Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Introducing the Godsonal Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a game-changer in dishwashing convenience. This sleek black dishwasher revolutionizes your kitchen with its innovative features. The detachable 7L water tank offers 40% more capacity than traditional models, ensuring thorough cleaning, with an additional rinse cycle for impeccable results. Its compact design fits snugly on countertops, perfect for apartments, RVs, and camping trips. Experience ultimate hygiene with water temperatures reaching 192 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for sterilizing baby items and more. The hybrid drying system eliminates moisture and odors, preserving your dishes with a cold air circulation feature. With 360 degrees water spraying in 6 versatile programs, including Intense, Eco, and Glass, it caters to all your cleaning needs. Installation is a breeze with no hookups required. The dishwasher comes with essential components and a user manual for easy setup. Say goodbye to hand washing and hello to effortless dish cleaning with the Godsonal Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Number 4. Hermidlux Countertop Dishwasher. Introducing the Hermidlux Countertop Dishwasher, a game-changer in kitchen convenience. Designed by Hermidlux, this compact dishwasher revolutionizes dish cleaning with its portable design and efficient features. Measuring 16.73 inches in diameter, 16.85 inches in width, and 18.03 inches in height, this dishwasher boasts a 5-liter capacity and 4-place setting capacity, accommodating up to 10.25 dishes. With 5 washing programs including Standard, Fast, Eco, Strong, and for cleaning, it ensures thorough cleaning for all types of tableware. The innovative glass door allows you to monitor the washing process effortlessly. Equipped with high-temperature cleaning and PTC hot wind drying, it leaves your dishes sparkling and dry. Installation is a breeze with 2 water supply modes. Built-in 5L water tank or faucet connection. Its noise level of 50 decibels ensures a quiet operation. Ideal for small spaces like apartments, dorms, boats, or RVs, this countertop dishwasher offers unparalleled convenience. Plus, with ETL certification and meticulous testing, you can trust in its quality and reliability. Upgrade your kitchen with the Hermidlux Countertop Dishwasher and bid farewell to manual dishwashing forever. Number 5. Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Introducing the Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a versatile solution for compact living spaces. With 5 washing programs including standard, fast, eco, strong, and for cleaning, this dishwasher ensures thorough cleaning with a maximum water temperature of 167 degrees Fahrenheit for streak-free results. Measuring a mere 16.85 times 16.73 times 18.03 inches, it accommodates up to 4 place settings of dishes, making it ideal for small households, apartments, dorms, boats, and RVs. Forget about cumbersome installations. Simply fill the built-in 5-liter water tank, or connect directly to your kitchen faucet with the included hose. The baby care mode provides a hygienic cleaning option for baby bottles and toys, utilizing alternating cycles of hot and cold water. After cleaning, enjoy the convenience of 60 minutes of hot air drying and 73 hours of automatic ventilation to maintain freshness and cleanliness. With a noise level of just 50 decibels, this dishwasher operates quietly, ensuring peace in your home. Upgrade your dishwashing experience with the portable countertop dishwasher for efficient, space-saving convenience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more